It is important to clean the hair on different parts of the body for personal cleanliness or hygiene, but many of us use some wrong methods or things without realizing it, which can cause serious damage to the sensitive parts of our body. To avoid problems like itching, rash, or darkening of the skin, watch today's video till the end. Today, we will know which things are absolutely not right to use. Point 1. Old and dull razor. The biggest mistake is to use the same razor repeatedly. Dull blades create friction on the skin, which we call razor burn. This causes the hair follicles to swell and small red bumps to appear. In addition, old blades contain bacteria, which can cause infection. Point 2. Hair removal cream. There are many hair removal creams available in the market, but remember, the skin of the private parts is much thinner than other parts of the body. The harsh chemicals in these creams cause irritation and allergies on sensitive skin. Long-term use of these creams can cause the area to turn black. Point 3. Epilator or tweezers. Many people use epilators or tweezers to remove hair from the root. This is very painful for sensitive areas. This results in the problem of ingrown hairs, that is, the hairs penetrating the skin, which can later turn into pus-like pimples. Point 4. Regular soap and dry shaving. Many people rush to shave on dry skin or just use soap. Soap makes the skin rough. If you don't use something slippery, the blade can cut the skin directly. So what is the solution? Experts recommend following some methods. Electric trimmer. This is the safest. There is no fear of cutting the skin, and the hair can be cut very short. New razor and gel. If you use a razor, be sure to use a new blade or razor for each shave. Also, use good quality shaving gel. The right direction. Always shave in the direction the hair grows. If you shave in the opposite direction, there is a risk of nicking the skin. After shaving, wash the area with cold water and apply an unscented moisturizer or aloe vera gel. Remember, awareness is the key to staying healthy. Share this video with your friends if you find it informative.